What's up guys, Romsicle here, and these are the $20 Redmi Airdots, one of the cheapest wireless earbuds on the planet. They're cheap, wireless, matte black, have magnets, and gives an estimated 20 hours of playback. Inside the box you get a Chinese manual, different size earbuds, the earphones inside the case, and there is no charging cable with the stock configuration, so if you need a cable, make sure you choose that option. Anyways, here are the earbuds in all its glory in a matte black vibe with a glossy logo up top. The case is made of plastic with a fairly stiff lid joint with a strong magnet to keep it closed so the earbuds won't fall out even if you shake the case. And at the back, there's a micro USB port for charging. As for the earbuds, they're made of the same plastic as the case in a pure matte black aesthetic, and it looks really nice. With one large button on each, it's extremely easy to control music playback and phone calls. And of course on the bottom we also have the microphone on both earbuds.
So this is the microphone quality of the Redmi Airdots, and it's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. You can definitely still hear the audio pretty clearly, and if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that's cheap like this one and have a working microphone, this could work for you.
And on the back, we have the gold contacts for charging, but they come covered with blue tape so there's no unnecessary discharge during traveling, but you can throw these away once you receive the product. As mentioned before, there are magnets for these earbuds, and they allow the buds to easily stick onto their spots on the case. But the magnets aren't that strong, so there's a lot of wiggle room and they don't necessarily snap right into place. And if you shake the case with the lid up, the earbuds just fall right off, so be careful of that. Also, these buds are really hard to take out actually. They're positioned in a way where there is basically no room to take out the buds, and the lid placement doesn't really help either, so the accessibility is kinda off-putting. Orientation of the buds is very simple. Each bud has a left and right indicator, but you can also simply just align the case upright and they'll represent the left and right sides. For the earbuds, the section that goes into your ears is fairly small and fits nicely in the ears, while the larger part of the bud helps keep them in place, so even if you shake your head and have a vigorous workout, it'll stay put. And once you're done using them, just stick them back into the case and they'll automatically charge. As for battery life, it's pretty great. Each earbud holds a 40 mAh battery while the case holds a 300 mAh battery. If you use both earbuds at the same time, you can get 4 hours of constant playback and the case will give you an extra 15 hours. But if you use only one of the earbuds, you can get a little under 6 hours of usage, with the case getting you an extra 30 hours, so the battery life is pretty good. Connectivity is super simple, and what's awesome is that you only need to pair to one earbud to connect to both of them. So first thing you want to do is to choose which of the earbuds you want to be your main earbud, and this earbud is going to be the one you'll take out the case first in order to connect to both of them. Go to your device and turn on your Bluetooth, and when you take out your main earbud, it'll show on the device. And then when it connects, you'll hear a nice little tone. And after, all you need to do to connect to the next one is take it out of the case, and then it is done. It is that easy. And of course the first connection is always going to be a little slower, but after that it's going to be super fast, so let's do this in real time. And just like that, in less than 4 seconds you're connected to your devices. It's amazingly fast. Overall, I would say the package is pretty much all there for this pair of wireless earbuds. The Redmi Airdots are extremely fast to connect, fit very well in the ears, and it's only $20, which is great. And as for sound quality, it's pretty basic, with high highs and high lows, but the mids are still very audible. I would definitely compare this very similarly to some monster earbuds. It has that kind of sound signature. It's a super stylish pair of earbuds with a matte black aesthetic, and it really gives a clean look when you're using them, so I would definitely recommend them for day-to-day use. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you guys liked it, give it a like and subscribe to see more detailed reviews like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.